In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing files from your desktop, documents or pictures using Windows OneDrive. Losing files can be quite a headache, but don't worry, we're going to go through easy steps to track them down and hopefully get them back where they belong. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Microsoft account. This is essential because we'll be using OneDrive, which is linked to your Microsoft account to store and manage your files online. Make sure you have your login credentials on hand and head over to the Microsoft login page to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Apps Launcher button. It's located at the top left of your dashboard. This is the navigation menu where you can access different Microsoft applications, including OneDrive. Give that a click to open the drop-down menu. Next, from this menu, find and click on OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, and if your files are synced correctly, this is where they will be. It's a great tool for storing your files and also acts as a backup in case you accidentally delete something important from your local device. Now look for the recycle bin on OneDrive. This can be found in the left-hand navigation panel. Just like your computer, OneDrive has its own recycle bin where deleted files are stored temporarily. Clicking on it will show you a list of files that you might have deleted recently. If you see your missing files here, whether they are documents, photos or other types, select them. You can do this by clicking on the checkbox next to each file you want to restore. Once you've selected the files you wish to recover, you simply click on the Restore button located at the top. This will return the files to their original location, making them available to you once again on OneDrive and your local device if properly synced. But what if you're having trouble spotting the missing file in the recycle bin? You can try searching for the file by name using the search bar at the top of the OneDrive interface. Sometimes files get buried under others or renamed by mistake, so using the search function can help locate them more efficiently. In case your files aren't on OneDrive, don't panic. There's still a possibility they're on your local device. Check your local documents, pictures and desktop folders. Sometimes syncing issues might cause files to stay local. Go through these folders carefully to see if your files are still stored on your machine. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to locate and restore your missing files using OneDrive. If your documents are still missing, double check your syncing settings to ensure that everything is properly backed up in the future. And remember, regularly updating your file backups is a good practice to prevent issues like this. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you recover your files easily.